attended the flag ceremony. So what are you expecting today? Are we going to have a proper discussion proper?
No.
Are you ready for the recitation?
No.
Why no? Why no? What maybe? There is no maybe. It's always between yes or no. There is no or. Remember class, opportunity now once. If you're in doubt, no. What happens to you? You will be crying. Okay? Come on, Tia. First thing you come to class, kindly arrange worship. Mom Joy is hosting. You know what hosting? You know what hosting? Obsessive compulsive. Buang. Pero ang akong pagka-hosting is cleanliness. So, I'd like you to bear in mind every day when you come to school, you need to arrange the chairs, you pick up pieces of basura, I hate basura. Kindly follow the chair. Okay. You follow the chair and not too close. Kinuwid daw dito mo. Last time lang kami ng bulagay. Put a little distance. One na siguro. Isa ka lang out. Put a little distance. Okay? What are your chores? Office administration. What year?
Second year.
So you're done with your first year. Clap yourselves. Why is hard? Being a student is hard. You have those sleepless nights. Sleepless nights naisip sa inyo. You have those sleepless nights in doing your requirements, your projects, your activities, and so on and so forth. Kung ano ka itong request ni Sir kami, ma'am. Di ba? Kilala niyo na po. Sino makakilala sa ako? Plus 10. Ha? Ma'am Joy. Ma'am Joy, ano? Kayo na lang kay Ma'am Joy. Sabi ko, Ma'am Joy, krong-krong. Okay, so for the knowledge of everyone, I am Ma'am Joy Barrios Delgado. I'll be your instructor for the whole second step with our subject, gender and society. It's a nice subject. It's interesting. It's not boring like you. Okay? So gender and society. We will discuss your sexes. We will discuss your sexuality. Ma'am, bayot ko. Ano? Wala problema. Accepted ka na. As long as you follow the norms of the society. As long